Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix slide to power off not working on an iPhone. So, your iPhone is acting up, where apps are running slow or not opening and the screen is unresponsive to scroll, swipe or tap. To resolve these issues, you try to do a restart. You press the specific buttons. The iPhone goes to the switch off screen but suddenly it won't let you slide across to turn off the phone. Sometimes, your iPhone is stuck on the power off window, where both the SOS Emergency Call and the cancel button don't work, either. Calm down. Next, we'll show you the potential causes and proven step-by-step solutions. Why can't you slide to power off an iPhone? It can be caused by a few things. The display is dirty or malfunctioning. The screen protector is so thick or misplaced that you can't slide the button to switch off the iPhone. The operating system is corrupted or outdated. Your iPhone almost runs out of memory space. There is an unknown malware attack. Now, let's walk through the tricks to attempt when an iPhone can't slide to power off. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 26. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Clean the display. Fingerprints, dirt or smudges on the screen can render the iPhone slide to power off not working. If your iPhone is wearing a screen protector and a case, take them off first. Use a soft microfiber cloth to gently wipe the screen, including 4 edges. For sticky adhesives, you can apply a small amount of alcohol while wiping. Once your iPhone screen is free of any debris, trigger the power off slider again. On an iPhone 10 or later, press either volume up or down key and side key. On an iPhone 8 or earlier, long press the side key. When the red slide to power off message appears, drag it to see if it works. Force iPhone off when the slider doesn't work. This will help quickly clear an isolated software issue without deleting the device data. And also, it's an alternative way to turn off an iPhone without touching the screen when you can't swipe, slide or tap. To force reboot an iPhone 8 or newer models, press volume up, volume down, and hold the side key until it powers down, then an Apple logo comes up. To force reboot an iPhone 7, press and hold volume down and side keys until the screen turns off, then pops up an Apple logo. To force reboot an iPhone 6s or older models, press and hold both home and side keys until the device shuts down, then boots up the Apple logo. Make sure to ignore the slide to power off if it appears. Test if the slide to power off can slide and get your iPhone to turn off normally after the forced reboot. Update the operating system to its latest version. Keeping your iPhone software up to date can fix bugs that may affect the screen performance when the iPhone slide to power off stops working. To do that, tap the cancel button, unlock your device and go back to the home screen. Navigate to the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose Software Update and your iPhone will start checking if there is a new iOS compatible with it. If it shows you one, just tap Download and install or update now to upgrade the OS. To guarantee a smooth update process, connect your iPhone to a charger and link it to a Wi-Fi network with a strong signal. Press and hold the buttons to bring up the option to turn off the screen. As prompted, slide to power off your iPhone and it should shut down. Bring all iPhone settings to their factory defaults. If the issue of slide to power off not working on iPhone still happens, it may be necessary to reset your iPhone settings. After exiting the Restart menu page, here's what you need to do. On the home screen, enter Settings. Tap on General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset and choose the first option, Reset All Settings. This process will remove any customized configurations on all settings including keyboard, network, home screen layout, location, etc. Rest assured, all your saved data and files will be kept untouched. Get to the power off slider screen and check the slide controls to switch off your iPhone. Put the iPhone into recovery mode. Get an iPhone screen stuck on slide to power off completely, which remains frozen unresponsive to any touch or tap. No worries, you can fix the issue by putting the device into recovery mode and using a computer to update or restore the phone. Here's what you need to do. Connect your iPhone to a computer using a cord. On a Mac running macOS Catalina 10.15 or newer, run Finder or Apple Devices app. On a Mac running macOS Mojave 10.14 or older, or on a PC, run iTunes or Apple Devices app. Then, hold your iPhone, press volume up, volume down, then hold the side key. Your iPhone will shut down, show the Apple logo, then display the recovery mode screen. It sometimes requires a few tries to access recovery mode, so feel free to attempt again if you fail once. Once you manage to get in, then your iPhone will be recognized by the computer. Instantly, the program will alert you that it has detected a device in recovery mode, asking whether you'd like to update or restore it. Choose the update option first to install the latest iOS firmware and fulfill the instructions that are left. If the update fails to fix a stuck slide to power off on iPhone, repeat the steps and choose the restore option to factory reset the device. As a precaution, it always makes sense to ensure that you have a current iCloud or iTunes backup ahead of the restore. After the reset, you should be able to shut the phone off, then restart to see whether the original problems would be sorted out. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix iPhone slide to turn off not working. Thank you for watching, and hope you can drag the power off slider to shut down the device normally. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.